Very good morning, dear children. This is your teacher Radhika ma'am from Sanskriti School. I hope all of you and your family members are healthy and safe at home. So we are back with another session of math. Let's get started. You will be able to view the content on the screen. Before we start our today's session, I would like all of you to go through these instructions. Please read these instructions carefully. In the previous session, we had learned the international number system. We had learned how to read and write large numbers in the international number system. We had also learned the place value of the digits in a number in the international number system. So now we know both the Indian as well as the international number system. So today we are going to do a comparative study of both the number systems. Before that, we have the solutions to the written activities of the previous session. These are the solutions to the written activity 1. Here we have the solutions to the written activity 2. And here we have the solutions to the written activity 3. So now let's get started with today's topic of comparison of Indian number system and the international number system. Let's revise both the number system. Indian number systems uses the places ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores, and so on. Whereas the international number system uses the places ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions, and so on. Here we have the place value chart for a 9-digit number. This place value chart shows both the number systems. Okay, on the top we have the Indian number system, and here at the bottom we have the international number system. We have placed a 9-digit number in the place value chart. Now if we look into this number, the 5 digits from the right hand side have the same places: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. These 5 places are the same in both Indian as well as the international number system, which means any number up to 5 digits has the same number name in both Indian as well as the international number system. The difference starts from the 6th digit. The 6th digit is in the lakhs place in the Indian number system, whereas it is in the 100,000s place as per the international number system. The names of these places are different, but the value remains the same. The place value of this place is 1 followed by 5 zeros. The name differs, but the value remains the same. If we go to the 7th digit, the 7th digit is in the 10 lakhs place as per the Indian system, whereas it is in the millions place as per the international system. The 8th digit is in the crores place as per the Indian system, and it is in the 10 millions place as per the international number system. The 9th digit is in the 10 crores place as per the Indian system, and it is in the 100 millions place as per the international number system. We have written this number in the standard form in both the systems over here. It is the same number, but it looks different as the placement of the commas are different in both the number system. So in the Indian number system, it is written as 43, 27, 08, 156, whereas in the international system, it is written as 432, 708, 156. This is because in the Indian system, the ones period has 3 digits, whereas all the other periods have 2 digits. Whereas in the international number system, all the periods have 3 digits. We have few more examples. Here we have a number 540036280. This number is written in the standard form and in words in both the number system. Let's start with the Indian system. We have written the number in the standard form over here. We have placed the commas at the appropriate place. So it is written as 54, 00, 36, 280. The ones period has 3 digits. The thousands, lakhs, and crores period has only 2 digits. Now we read this number as 54 crore 36,280. 280. The same number is written in the international number system in this way. All the periods are having 3 digits. It is written as 540, 036, 280, and it is read as 540,036,280. We have one more example over here, 405,760,84. In the Indian system, it is written as 4,05,76,084, and it is read as 4,05,76,084. Whereas in the international system, it is written as 40,576,084, and it is read as 40,576,084. We have a written activity for you over here. There are few numbers given. These numbers have to be written in figures as well as in words in both Indian as well as international number system. We have few more examples over here. Here, a number is given in words. We need to write this number in the standard form as well as in words in the international number system. Let us read this number. It is 6,56,23,082. When we read these periods, crore, lakh, and thousands are in the Indian system. That means the number is given in the Indian system and we are supposed to write it in the international system. So we place them in the place value chart. 6 crore is placed in the crores period. 56 lakh is placed in the lakhs period. 23,000 is placed in the thousands period. And 82 is placed in the ones period. We all know that ones period has 3 digits. So how do we write 82 in 3 digits? We write it as 082. So the number is 65623082. Now we write this in the international number system. In the international number system, all the periods have 3 digits. So it is written as 65,623,082. We start placing the commas from the extreme right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, comma. And this number is read as 65,623,082. We have one more example. The number is 19 crore 2,790,000. Let's place this in the place value chart. 19 crore is placed in the crores period. 2 lakh is placed in the lakhs period. We all know that the lakhs period has 2 digits. So how do we write 2 in 2 digits? It is written as 02. Now we come to the thousands period. We do not have the thousands period mentioned in the number name. So we will put zeros in the thousands period. 2 zeros as the thousands period has 2 digits. And then we come to the ones period. 790 is placed in the ones period. So the number is 190,200,790. Now we write it in the international number system. It is 190,200,790. And this number is read as 190,200,790. We have another written activity based on these examples. You need to write these numbers in figures and words in the international number system. We have few more examples. Here we have the number given in the international number system and we need to write these numbers in figures and words in the Indian number system. Let us read the number. It is 2,400,645. So let's place this number in the place value chart. 2 million is placed in the millions period, 400,000 is placed in the thousands period, 645 is placed in the ones period. So the number is written as 2400645. Now we will insert the commas and write this number in the Indian number system. So it is written as 24,00,645, and this number is read as 24,645. We have not mentioned the thousands period, as the thousands period has 2 zeros. Let's go to the next example. It is 307,061,029. Now let's place this in the place value chart. We have 307 million in the millions period, 61,000 in the thousands period. Now we know that in the international number system, the thousands period has 3 digits. So 61 is written as 061 in the thousands period. And we write 29 in the ones period. Again, the ones period has 3 digits. So 29 is written as 029. And so the number is 307,061,029. And this is read as 30 crore 70 lakh 61,029 in the Indian number system. We have another written activity for you based on these principles. So I hope all of you have understood the comparison between the Indian and the international number system. Thank you so much. Have a great day.